Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get YouTube Premium for free. This tutorial will be quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now to order YouTube Premium, all you have to do is log into your YouTube account and then click on your profile icon at the top. And right here you will see purchases and memberships. So that's where you want to go ahead and click on. And now from here, you will see some offers from YouTube. So you want to click on learn more on the premium option. And as you can see, you can try this for 1 month for free, cancel anytime. So you can go ahead and try 1 month for free, click on it. Then you can choose the option individual or family. So if you have a family, and then you will be able to pay $20 per month, for example, up to 5 family members, and split the bill. Then choose this one or individual, and you can click start a trial. And now after that, you will need to go ahead and add your credit or debit card right here, card holder name, billing address. And as you can see, the billing starts on this date, so you can cancel it before that. And here it is. Once you will enter your card details and authorize your card, then you will have your YouTube Premium. And now, as you can see at the top, there is Premium. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.